What's up, guys? Welcome back to Josh's Coding. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can set up a double jump with your character super quickly. To get started, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open our character and input folder. If you haven't followed the last two tutorials and you don't have your own inputs, feel free to check out those two videos. They will walk you through how to set this up. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is create a new input, and it is going to be an input action. And this is going to be IA underscore jump. You can open it up and you can just hit save, and that's all we need to do on it. The next thing we want to do is open our IMC player, and we're going to add a new mapping, and we are going to set this to our IA jump. Then you want to hit this little drop down here to expose the key binding. I'm going to set it to spacebar. You can set it to whatever you would like. You can then save, and we can go over to our character blueprint. Again, if you haven't followed the last two tutorials, you can ignore everything else in this blueprint and just follow along with the jumping. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for our IA jump, and you're going to want to select the enhanced action event, not the enhanced action values. So IA jump. And then what we can do is just off of started, we can call jump. We can then compile and save this. And if we hop into the editor, you can see we are now able to jump. So how can we make ourselves double jump? Well, it's actually extremely easy. In Unreal Engine, it actually comes with a built-in character movement component. But you actually set the double jump in the player character self. So whatever your top node here is, in bracket self, you want to select it. And you want to search for jump in the details panel. And under character, you will find jump max count. This is the amount of times your character is able to jump before needing to touch the ground again. So to double jump, you can set this to 2. In theory, though, you could also set this to 10 if you want that. Alternatively, say you wanted to set this through code. Like you pick up a mushroom and now you want to add a jump for 60 seconds. You can actually just right click in your blueprints and search for set max jump count. You can set the value you want to set it to in this set, and then you would just hook it up to wherever you want to hook it up. Now in our case, we're just going to use the details panel. So we will compile and save that, and now you can see we jump once, we jump twice. And that's going to do it for today's tutorial. A quick, simple double jump. If it did help you out, be sure to leave a like. Also leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions on how I can improve these videos, or if you have any videos you would like to see in the future. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and good luck with your games.